Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed about handling the null values, right? So today we'll be discussing about the this one, primary key constraints. Primary key constraints, right? So what is a primary key basically here? So let me delete this one. We know we don't need this one. So let me execute this one again. We don't have anything to execute, right? So let me keep it like this itself, right? So what is primary key here? Primary key is unique. Primary key uniquely identifies each row in a table and does not allow null values. So we have discussed about the null values and handling the null values, and I'm strictly telling this: a primary key uniquely identifies each row in the table. This is fine, and it does not allow null values, and it does not allow null values. This part is very important. Again, I'm telling, a primary key uniquely identifies each row in a table and does not allow null values. So in simple terms, each table should have a primary key to ensure the uniqueness. Means each row, right? So each row is unique. For each row being unique, each table should have a primary key, right? SQL enforces only one primary key per table. So this is very important, man. SQL ensures only one primary key per table, though it can consist of multiple columns. It can consist of multiple columns, but SQL enforces only one primary key per table. So this part is very important, man. Again, so what is primary key? Again, a primary key uniquely identifies each row in a table and does not allow null values. So this part is very important. So let's go with a very simple example, man. We have already created the if you are following from beginning, we have already created the student's name, table, students table, right? So I'll just go with use YT test. So this is the database we have created, right? So here you can clearly see. So this is fine. Now we are already done on students table earlier, right? So let's do one thing. Let's try inserting the duplicate. Let's try inserting the duplicate. So I'll just go with insert into this one will be students. So we have student ID. What are the parameters we have? Student ID, name, age, and email, right? Name, age, and email. So this is fine. So I'll just give values this one comma this one. Let me give Bharadwaj here, or yeah, let me give um, um yeah, you can give anything here. I'll just give in my case I'll just go with the Manu here. I'll just go with Manu here. So age, we have student ID, name, age, and email, right? So age I'll just give 22 here, and finally email, let me give Manu at testmail.com. Manu at testmail.com. So this is fine. Yeah, let me complete this one, right? So now we have successfully inserted the duplicate. We have successfully inserted the duplicate. We need to get the error saying violation of the primary key constraint, pk student something, right? So let me execute this one. We have to get the error, man. See here, violation of the primary key constraint, primary key constraint here, pk students, this one, right? So cannot insert duplicate key in the object dbo dot students, right? So here you can read full completely, right? The statement has been terminated. It says the statement has been terminated, right? So the duplicate, just give me a second here. Yeah, the duplicate key value is 1, it is saying. The duplicate key value 1, it is saying. We can have only one primary key in a table. We can have only one primary key in a table. Student ID we have given one already. Student ID we have given one already. We had considered one Bharadwaj, two Gauri, right? If you remember, again we have considered student ID 1 and we have given Manu this time, and that is the reason we are getting the error violation of the primary key constraint pk students xyz, whatever they whatever error we are getting, right? So that is the reason we are getting. So I hope this part is completely clear, man, right? So I hope this part is completely clear, right? Student ID equals 1 already exists, and the primary key constraint blocked the it has blocked the duplicate insert here. it has blocked the duplicate insert here. That is the reason we are getting the error. So one more thing I wanted to say here is primary key ensures each record is unique and not null. We have already discussed this one. Again, I'm stressing on this. A primary key ensures each record is unique and not null. It is a critical part of data integrity enforcement. It is a critical part of data integrity enforcement. We have discussed about the data integrity at the beginning itself. The first topic itself was about the data, this one, data integrity, right? So it is a critical part of the data integrity enforcement. So I hope this part, I hope the primary key part is completely clear, man. I hope the primary key part is completely clear. For now, this is it. Next we'll be discussing about the composite primary key, right? Next we'll be discussing about the composite primary key. For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.